Don't throw out your milk cartons. Instead, let's recycle them and make these cute little bunny planters. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. The supplies you need are a milk carton, paint, scissors, paintbrushes, and a permanent marker. The first step is to open the milk carton, draw, and cut out bunny ears. The second step is to paint the milk carton. Allow it to dry and paint a second coat. The third step is to paint ears and a nose, and with your permanent marker, draw eyes and a mouth. The final step is to add your plants. And these are the finished planters. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.